What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today's episode, we're going to be installing a fire extinguisher in the passenger compartment. Let's go. So I've wanted to add a fire extinguisher to the passenger compartment for a while. This is the custom bracket I bought offline, and this is the custom T-bracket that the mad scientist made. He drilled 2 holes at the bottom. That was for mounting. Got 2 holes at the top. That's for the actual holder of the fire extinguisher. This is a little bit better look. Mad scientist going to town on the passenger seat brace. Holds the seat to the body. Pretty much just ran the mount from the front of the passenger seat towards the back. Here we actually show it at the top of the brace, but we end up, after drilling the hole, mounting it underneath the brace. This is a little bit better picture of the brace running under the seat. After we get the hole punch going, the mad scientist is going to drill into that brace. That looks good. There he is, drilling into the brace. Pretty easy. We ended up making 2 holes, and here he is securing it to the brace. It's actually been pretty simple. Not a lot to this. There you have it. So I haven't got a real fire extinguisher yet. For now, I'm gonna use this as a stopgap until I can get to Walmart and I guess get a real fire extinguisher. And forward. Yeah, and back. Walmart, trying to find a fire extinguisher. Where do you find a fire extinguisher in this place?
And we have it in a home.
Okay,
Both
probably
places.
be home, I would guess.
Yeah.
Where's home?
Is it something to spray? Or something like a liquidy that you use?
It's like a big red container.
I'll show you.
It's a fire extinguisher. There we go. There we go. Just took a good 20 minutes walking around Walmart. No doubt. Here we are. Alrighty. This'll do, pig. This'll do. Alright. Wasn't so hard. Hey. Relatively painless. Done. So, little bonus material. So, one night while I was surfing the interwebs, I stumbled upon this goofy ad, and after looking at it for entirely too long, I ended up purchasing the silly goofy thing in the ad. And this is what I purchased. It's so let's take one of these out. It goes, actually pretty cool looking. It goes where your cigarette lighter is, and I don't use my cigarette lighter outlet. It's got a gasket. So yeah, I got an ejector button now. It doesn't move at all. It'd be a little cooler if it moved, but that's gonna just sit there. This other one says fire missile. I like it. It's kind of goofy, but I like it. So that's it, guys. A quick install for a fire extinguisher. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit like, hit subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. As always, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll have a link to the fire extinguisher for anyone that wants one. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. Peace. Supposed to be food shopping as well. I don't have the energy today. Just gonna pick this bad boy up and go home. That's it. It's the only information I got at the moment. Okay. 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 Alrighty. Oh, box appears to be damaged. Okay. Of course, I get the damaged box. Hey! For anyone that wants one, and as far as the custom mount, hit me up on Instagram or in the comments if you're interested in getting one. Probably not gonna make you one though. I was surfing the interwebs one night and I stumbled, don't park there, don't park there. And I stumbled upon this really goofy thing. I'm about to get like shot and robbed. I don't know what's happening. Alright. I don't know what's happening right now. They needed me to close the door, I guess, to go by. That was the car that was parked behind me for like a minute. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. Peace.